Demco specializes in injection molding, injection blow molding, and cap lining using various materials from LDPE, HDPE, PP through to PET, our core lines being high-quality, sterile eyedropper bottle components, vaccine vials, jars, medical PET bottles, and closures lined in-house, as well as pumps and sprays to supply pharmaceutical, veterinary, cosmetic and other industries, which are produced in a clean environment. Finished goods are closely inspected by the strict quality control regulations, ensuring the highest standards are achieved. Demco has a fully equipped tool room and offers a complete packaging solution from product design, tooling design and manufacture, raw material selection, right through to production. Demco pays attention to its stringent quality management system. Demco was established in 1954, starting with a few products, and is striving to be one of the leading companies in the rigid plastic packaging sectors, operating out of our 6,400 square meter premises located in Germiston. Our team is led by Andy Katzelberger, the Managing Director. The manufacturing runs 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday, and is supported by the management and admin team. It is our policy to promote direct communications with our customers and to improve on or better our standards adopted by our industry, thereby making it the most collaborative experience. Demco, molded to be the best.